The FLYROC 11'6" paddleboard provides an impressive width of 35 inches, which enhances stability and makes it an excellent choice for beginners and yoga enthusiasts. With a capacity of 450 pounds, this paddleboard can accommodate up to 3 adults, making it perfect for family outings or group adventures on the water. Constructed with military-grade PVC and reinforced dual-layer sidewalls, the FLYROC paddleboard is designed for durability and resistance against punctures and abrasions. The board includes a versatile storage system with front and rear straps, allowing you to securely carry everything from snacks to camping gear. This paddleboard set comes with 9 essential accessories, ensuring you have everything you need for a quick setup and enjoyable experience on the water. The FLYROC Inflatable Paddleboard is not only easy to transport with its included backpack and shoulder strap, but also offers a seamless adventure with its reliable customer service.